Most wood lathes sold online are basic hobby models built to wobble and fail within months. Pick wrong and you're out a few $100s in a wasted project. Tired of vibration, poor finishes, and tools that stall mid-project? This video cuts through the hype to show you the top options. Today, I'm going to be going over the best wood lathe that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the JET JWL-1440VS. From first glance, this lathe exudes professional intent while remaining approachable for hobbyists who crave consistency, safety, and long-term reliability. Its bed and housing are a heavy, rigid cast iron synthesis that resists flex under demanding turning, promoting predictable finishes. 3 speed ranges are available, spanning 60 to 900 RPM and 110 to 1800 RPM. A ratchet-style belt tension system, patent pending, maintains belt alignment under load and minimizes vibration during aggressive turning. Redesigned controls feature a larger DRO display and recessed power switch, enabling precise adjustments and safer restarts after pauses. An integrated spring-loaded spindle lock adds instant work-holding security, reducing movement during tooling and enabling repeatable results. 24 integrated indexing positions provide versatile jigging options, improving repeatability when making multiple identical components or setups. The tailstock features an Acme thread, delivering smooth adjustments, robust grip, and long-term wear resistance during demanding tool changes. All components converge toward one concept, control, ensuring technicians feel empowered to produce precise contours without fighting the machine. In practical testing, it maintains stable speeds across ranges, yields clean surfaces, and minimizes chatter during heavy passes on dense hardwoods. Compared to a common entry-level Delta lathe, the JET delivers smoother gearless transitions and noticeably steadier running under load. The pros include excellent build quality, precise RPM control, and exceptionally quiet operation in typical woodshop use every day. The cons include higher price point and a relatively bulky footprint that may demand a larger dedicated workspace. At number 4, we have the JET JWL-1440VS. From the first setup, this benchtop lathe communicates a friendly learning curve built for both beginners and seasoned woodturners seeking dependable performance. The construction blends a sturdy cast iron bed with measured precision, giving 15 1/2 inches between centers for substantial project capacity. Its wider bedways significantly improve stability and offer robust support when turning larger, heavier pieces across extended sessions. 3 variable speed ranges let you tailor rotation to each project, spanning 200 to 1050 RPM. Integrated 24-position indexing delivers precise alignment and repeatable results across multiple passes and setups for various operations. The live center in the tailstock provides secure support for diverse turning operations, preventing wobble and improving surface finish. An improved tensioning system with easier belt access simplifies routine maintenance and extends belt life under frequent speed changes. In real-world turning, this lathe proves smooth, steady, and dependable across a spectrum of small to mid-sized pieces. The design aims to please newcomers while still offering meaningful features that make complex turning tasks approachable and enjoyable across wood turning and cabinet pieces. Despite its compact footprint, the unit delivers substantial turning versatility and reliable performance suitable for a wide array of wood projects. Compared with a common budget grizzly benchtop, the JET-JWL-1440VS offers broader speed range and easier belt access. The pros include robust build quality, 3 variable speed ranges, and 24-position indexing. The cons include limited workspace due to benchtop form and mid-range motor when compared with larger floor-standing models. At number 3, we have the JET-JWL-1440VS. The sliding headstock pivots a full 360 degrees with 7 positive locking positions, offering versatility ideal for hobbyists and professionals alike. Its construction uses a solid cast iron bed and metal components that resist vibrations during high-speed turning. The tailstock incorporates an Acme thread and anti-rotation locking to keep workpieces secure during dense turning and heavy tool pressure. The RPM range spans from 400 to 3000 RPM, enabling both fine details and aggressive faceplate work. The luminous LCD RPM display is easy to read and helps maintain consistent speeds during long sessions of turning. Variable speed from 400 to 3000 RPM enables flawless finishing on a wide range of wood species. The headstock slides and pivots, allowing endless orientation options with precise locking positions that resist movement under load. The optional extension bed expands capacity to 60 inches between centers, a major boost for longer turning projects. Tailstock quill locking improved with anti-rotation key ensures consistent alignment during heavy cuts and reduces drift considerably under load. The machine uses a redesigned tool rest with a positive locking mechanism for quick secure adjustments during every session. Easy-to-read RPM display together with the speed range makes setup intuitive for beginners and pros alike. JET equipment is known for solid build and long-term reliability, which helps justify the investment in a workshop setting. In a direct comparison with a similar Delta lathe, the JET JWL-1440VS delivers smoother torque and tighter repeatability. The pros include robust cast iron bed, 360-degree headstock pivot, and the extended bed option to 60 inches. The cons include a significantly higher price point and a sizable footprint that may challenge smaller shops with limited floor space. At number 2, we have the JET JWL-1440VS. From the moment you unbox it, the JET JWL-1440VS feels purpose-built for serious hobbyists seeking reliable versatility. Its robust cast iron frame and heavy-gauge components provide stability, while the compact footprint balances workspace constraints with substantial turning capacity. The tailstock quill locking mechanism receives a thoughtful upgrade with an anti-rotation key, increasing rigidity and repeatable depth control under challenging cuts. The banjo employs a non-marring positive locking wedge system to securely hold the tool post, delivering firm bite without marring the workpiece. A spindle lock latch frees up both hands, allowing safe adjustments and quick piece repositioning during multi-axis turning. With 36 integrated indexing positions, the lathe enables repeatable, precise angles for complex work without manual recalibration. The enclosed inverter protects electronics from dust and vibration, contributing to longer life and consistent speed performance across operational hours. A digital readout and front accessible headstock lock handle enhance user experience by keeping critical speed and settings visible and reachable. Sliding headstock with a rubber tool mat provides improved access, dust control, smoother tooling transitions, and convenient work-holding reach. In testing, the 40 to 3,200 RPM range handles small spindle work and larger bowls with torque and minimal vibration. When lined up against a rival from Delta, the JET delivers smoother variable speed and a broader indexing range, improving versatility. The pros include robust build quality that remains rigid under heavy cuts, a broad speed range, and precise, repeatable indexing. The cons include a higher price point relative to basic lathes and a sizable footprint that may demand a dedicated space. At number 1, we have the JET JWL-1440VS. From the moment you lay eyes on the 1840 EVS lathe, its robust cast iron frame communicates professional intent and enduring reliability. Designed for serious woodworkers who demand precision and durability, the lathe invites both seasoned craftsmen and ambitious hobbyists to upgrade their workflow. The bed measures a generous 18 inches by 40 inches, providing ample turning area while maintaining stability through a dense cast iron chassis. A headstock that slides the full length of the bed optimizes center of gravity and tool control during extended operations. The included 4-inch cast iron risers let you adjust working height for comfort during long turning sessions. Variable speed ranges from 40 to 3,200 RPM, enabling delicate starts and robust turning transitions across materials. The reversible turning function offers a seamless transition from forward to reverse, preserving workpiece integrity and simplifying live edge finishing. An improved quill lock integrates an anti-rotation key, securing the tailstock with minimal movement during high-pressure turning. Safety remains at the forefront with a remote emergency stop that can be mounted along the bed for quick shutdown during critical moments. An extended spindle nose accommodates dual headstock bearings, improving rigidity and reducing chatter during heavy stock removal dramatically. A user-friendly spindle lock latch liberates both hands, allowing precise adjustments and safer tool changes during complex turning operations. In practical testing, the lathe maintains smooth operation across materials from soft hardwood to hard maple, tame vibration, and delivered consistent finishes. In a direct comparison with an entry-level benchtop lathe, the 1840 EVS shows superior torque, smoother speed changes, and greater stability. The pros include a robust frame that resists flex, exceptionally smooth variable speed control for diverse woods, and an easy bed height adjustment. The cons include higher price point and heavier weight compared to compact benchtop rivals, plus a steeper learning curve for new users.